lighter. Sige, play.
Ay, puspuro.
Sige, on.
Okay, play. Ingredients in is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon. And 1 liter of Red Horse beer.
Red Horse beer.
First to do is to grip the neck of the Red Horse.
The neck.
And then close it tight with the tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
And grip it. And then
Hupas na ron.
ano ba na? Pull upward.
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger upward. See, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang tagay dayan.
Ako niya upload ko sa